What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Demerara, and today we're going to be making cold whiskey punch, first published in Jerry Thomas's Bartender's Guide from 1862, or published in 1862 from that matter. I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. First, people have been asking me for a lot of one-off punch recipes, and secondly, it's really great to take a really historic cocktail, show how little things can be tweaked to get a very different result. And what I mean by this is that what we're basically making here is a punch that is a sour. But instead of using regular simple syrup, we're using Demerara sugar syrup, which is going to be a little bit more prevalent back when Jerry Thomas was bartending. And also the rye whiskey that we're using is bonded rye whiskey, which is 4-year-old, and it's 100 proof. And anything under 80 proof in Thomas's day would not have been considered. It would have been considered piss, and they would have thrown it out with the bathwater. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is just 3/4 of an ounce of Demerara syrup. And then 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. 2 ounces of Demerara, 2 ounces of bonded rye whiskey. We're using Overholt bonded at this point, this moment, at this time. And then we're going to use crushed ice. We're going to make sure that our ice is thoroughly crushed, which it is. We're going to get just a tiny bit, throw it in here, give it the old whip shake, start the dilution, start and chill. But on crushed ice, it'll dilute and chill really pretty efficiently on its own. You just need to start it up. Put it in your glass. I like to use a nice 11-ounce double old-fashioned so that you get a good amount of ice. And also, you want to make sure that this ice is straight out of the freezer, not wet, not been sitting around outside. A little bit. And then, basically, you garnish with seasonal fruit. Usually it would be berries. I don't have any berries right now, so I'm just going to opt for a little orange slice. And then, unfortunately, I ran out of mint, but maybe a little, lemon or something. Maybe something like that. There you have it, guys. Cold whiskey punch. Now let's taste this and find out how it tastes. Oh. I mean, it's so akin to a whiskey sour. It's just, the whiskey's full flavored, but then you've got the richness of the Demerara syrup playing with the tartness of the lemon. This is just a nice kind of alternative to something that is familiar, but also something that stands up on its own. Cold whiskey punch, guys.